Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a circle video in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application on your device and tap on New Project to begin. Then, select the video clip you wish to transform into a circle and add it to your project. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative circle video, getting everything ready for the next exciting modifications. Now that your video is on the timeline, tap on it to reveal the editing options at the bottom. Scroll through these options until you find the mask feature, which is crucial for creating our circle effect. Tap on Mask and then select the circle shape from the available choices. This action immediately applies a basic circular frame to your video, ready for customization. With the circle mask applied, you can now fine-tune its appearance. Simply drag the circle directly on the preview screen to move it to your preferred spot within the video frame. To change its size, use a two-finger pinch or expand gesture on the circle itself. You can also use the feather slider to create a soft, blended edge, adding a professional touch to your circular video. Before exporting, take a moment to play through your entire video to ensure everything looks exactly as you envisioned. Once you are completely satisfied with your circular creation, locate the Export button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap it, then choose your desired resolution and frame rate, such as 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, before saving your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.